It's giving I'm the queen of Bridgerton, and you all have to listen to me rules. That's what it's giving. Okay, first of all, this has turned out better than I thought it was going to turn out. Oh my God. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. Oh, y'all. Okay. I'm super excited because I have a photo shoot in a couple of hours, and your girl got to do a Locstyle. So I was gonna really give lazy girl today and do something real basic. But we're not basic anymore, okay? We're not giving basic energy today. We're giving, she put time and effort into doing this, okay? Ugh, I can't stand when oil and product get on my forehead or my face at all. I need you to stay on my scalp or on my hair. But yes, speaking of that, I've already hydrated and moisturized my locks. I used Locklicious Rose Water Hydration Mist, the growth oil, and today I actually used their Lock and Twist moisturizer to apply to my scalp. And I made sure that I applied that first before applying these other products. Just kind of switching it up today. If you want to know more about that, make sure you check out my most recent video. I discuss why you may want to start your lock journey if you have not started it yet. So yeah, check that out. You might really like that. I want to show y'all the dress that I'm gonna wear, so y'all can get a little idea for like what my mind is on as far as the lock style that I want to do. But I think I'll just do the lock style first and then save the dress as a surprise for when I post the pics. So if y'all want to see how everything comes together, you have to stay tuned for the pictures that will be posted on my Instagram later this week. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Octavia.Darling so you don't miss out on that. You can show your girl some love. So initially what I wanted to do, y'all, was just some large pin curls. I've done that style once before, I think about 2 years ago. And I actually have a video on TikTok showing that style. But I was thinking, and when I had that dress on, I was like, I don't know if I should like just do large pin curls all over, or if I should do it as like, you know how like back in the 90s when our moms used to wear their hair up and they had those pin curls like stacked around and they had like that little swoop bang going on type of thing. I'm kind of feeling that, and I've never done that before, so this will be completely different. This will be outside of my comfort zone, but y'all know your girl is always up for a challenge. So let's get to it. So this lady right here, she has locks. You see that? So I don't want to say it'll be just like this, but this is an idea. Oh, this is a cute one too. This is kind of small. These are small, but they're cute and different. So let's just try this out and just have fun with it. I don't think I want the ponytail to be like super high, if that makes sense. I kind of want it to be a little bit further back. And that's mainly too because I have so many locks. I'm thinking it's going to be a good amount of pin curls that I'm going to have to do. So I need to have enough space in the front to pin them down. I'm only doing it for the photo shoot. I'm getting my hair treatment tomorrow, so this will be taken down later today. All right, whew. This is a workout. Y'all, look how long my ponytail is. Do y'all remember when my ponytails used to be like up here? When I used to like do those different styles and stuff, or just put a ponytail alone, like my locks used to stop up here. Check the growth, baby. I feel like this is a great position, if y'all can tell. Okay, so we're practicing, okay? We're testing this out. So I'm going to tuck the locks under like that, roll it up like that. I actually like how that's just sitting in the middle. I'm using the bobby pins for this to pin it down to the surface, and then at the end I'll go in with some hairpins in case there's like any locks that's just sticking out. Okay, so I should have did it the other way. All right, pin that across. Can you see the bobby pin? Oh, okay. Number one, looking good. Can y'all see? Now what we're gonna do is just take some locks from the opposite side and do the same thing. All right, so with this one, we're gonna kind of like stack it like that. I'm gonna pin it down. Ow, this one kind of pulling my hair a bit. Ow. So the idea of pin curls, if you're doing it like an updo, is to stack them. So you really not trying to like lay them to your head per se. Just want to stack them on top of each other. There we go. Okay. So these are the first two. And yeah, y'all, just vibe with me as I finish this look. Oh, listen to pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. Absorbing the yellow and porous his heat. SpongeBob SquarePants. Oh, I'm not no cool nonsense, be something you will. SpongeBob SquarePants. Then drop on the deck and flop like a fish. SpongeBob SquarePants. Listen to pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. Absorbing the yellow and porous his heat. SpongeBob SquarePants. For being a friend, drive up down the road and back again. Oh, it's true, you're a pal and a confidant. And it's everything about it, and invited everyone you do. Alright, y'all, this is how it's looking so far. How y'all think it's coming together? I think it's coming together okay. Y'all know me, I'm gonna remain positive as much as I can. But I think that it's coming together okay. So y'all see how I'm like pretty much stacking the curls? The vision is for all of them to be stacked up. So it's like layered. Okay? So stick with me here. Have y'all ever tried this lock style? Or have you ever tried this style in general, even if you're not locked? Because I remember back in the 90s, baby, this was the go-to. I used to love seeing black women wear this style. Honestly. I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world against damage, 'cause I'm impossible. There is nothing I can't do. call my name Kim Possible. Call me, baby, if you wanna reach me. You can call me, baby, no matter how far. You can call me Kim Possible. So now that I have about this much left in the back, what I'm gonna start doing is pulling the hair forward so that the curls can go this direction. So like this. I'm gonna tuck it under. Hold on. Wrap it up. Tuck. Alright, there we go. So yeah, so I'm gonna stack it up like that. Hold on. It's giving Bridgerton. It's giving I'm the queen of Bridgerton, and you all have to listen to me rules. That's what it's giving. Okay, first of all, this has turned out better than I thought it was going to turn out. Oh my God. What is happening, bro? What is happening? Like, did I just, like, what? What? And what time is it? Yo, hold on. Like, that didn't take long at all. What the heck? Oh my God. What? Okay, let me turn around so y'all can see the back. Y'all tell me if the back look crazy, because y'all know how I am when it comes to looking at the back of my head. How does it look in the back? Comment down below. How does it look? Is this photo shoot ready? Let me know. Oh my God. So let me come in close. These are the pin curls. Y'all, I can't even tell you how many I have, but these are the pin curls. I love it. I'm excited. I'm ready for my photo shoot. Well, I gotta go do my makeup and get dressed, but I'm ready. This put me in a good mood. So yeah, comment down below your thoughts on this Locstyle. Would you try it? Have you tried it? And what do you think? Like, did I do a thing here? Is this something that I can do more often? Like, what is it giving? You tell me. So thank y'all for watching this Loc tutorial. I'm about to hurry up and get dressed for this shoot. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling cute. I'm feeling ready to like serve. Okay, honey? I'll catch y'all in the next video.